Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation, I want to share about my paper developing a software as a decision maker to sell and buy stock using stochastic oscillator and exponential moving average. We have three researchers in this paper. The first is Muhammad Rizky Mubarak, the second is Burhanuddin Dirgantoro, and the third is Casis Tianingsih. So the problem of our paper is stock prices are moving very fast and fluctuating or can even change due to certain factor, resulting in the need for a special time to monitor and observe change in stock prices. So the problem formulation for our research is how to make an automatic trading program that can be decision maker for selling or buying stock. The goal of our research is create a scraping program that can collect the stock data from stock market live stream. The second is stock data analysis with the method that we use. And the third is create a system that can make a trading decision in real time. I want to explain about technical analysis. What is the technical analysis? The technical analysis is generally useful for identifying and predicting emerging trends. The basic of technical analysis is the assumption that people will always make the same mistakes as people have done before. In the next, I will explain about what is the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator method is one of the first technical analysis discovered by Dr. George Land in 1950. The second is stochastic refer to current price relative to the price range over a certain period of time. The third is in technical analysis, oscillator are the most common type of indicator and have limited range. With this range, there is a signal where we are advised to overbought. There are two components stochastic oscillator. The first is smoothed line and the second is fast line. This is the graphic example for stochastic oscillator, where the red line is the percent K or the stochastic line and the blue is the percent D or the smoothed line. Next, I will explain about exponential moving average. The exponential moving average is one type of moving average or MA, which gives a bigger and more significant weight to the latest data. The second is EMA is basically almost the same as simple moving average or SMA. The third is difference between exponential moving average and simple moving average is the type of data that used. Exponential moving average only use the latest data, while simple moving average use all of data. Exponential moving average is known as a very efficient means for estimating result. This is the example of EMA formula, and this is the graphic example exponential moving average. In this paper, a stock trading system will be created automatically using real-time data and analysis using the following component. The first is the data and the database. So the data that we collect from Indonesian shares market, the data is taken from the Indonesian stock market website using scraping with request method. The database that we use is NoSQL. NoSQL database using MongoDB DBMS, database management system, as a storage area for scraping data. This database is used to store the result of data after scraping and the result of data after processing. The next is the flowchart of our system. Is after we start the software will run the scraping data. After get the data every several period, they will process data. So after data process, we process the buy or sell processing. After that, we check the time. If that market time, we will continue from the first, and if the market is closed, we will end this system or this program. The next is a flowchart for scraping data. The first is when we need to scrape, we request a session from the trading market website, and we need to log in to the trading market. After we have the session for one user, after we have a session, we request a gateway and live trade market data. After that, we get the event stream from that data and we collect that data to our database. So after the data collect, they will be looped until the trade market is finished. This is the flowchart for processing data. The system will first process old data, and after process old data, they will check data from the scraping that we explained before, and then if the data have update per minute, they will be find the value for the stochastic and exponential moving average, and the system will be give the decision if a signal buy, signal sell, or no signal. After that, they will save the data to the database, and the data will look until the trade market close. So this is a flowchart for buy and sell stock in the system. So the first, we will request a session from that website, and we update header and cookies. After update header and cookies, we will check the data. If the data have been updated, we will check the portfolio and the conditional for the buy or selling stock. So if the condition is true, we will buy or selling stock and store the log in the database. So the next is result of our paper or our experiment after 1 month of testing using this software. So the first is the 1 minute period, the next is result for 5 minute period, the next is for 10 minute period, the next is for 15 minute period, the last is for 30 minute period. And this is the speed comparison for scraping data using Selenium versus using request. So the request is faster than using Selenium. We use 100 data for this speed comparison. So the conclusion for our paper is based on the result of research and testing that has been done in this paper, it can be concluded that scraping data using the request module is faster than using Selenium module. Second is analyze over a period of 30 minutes has greatest advantage, that is 77.50%, while the analyze in the 1 minute period has the biggest loss, that is 56.93%. The third is stock price below 200 have the biggest advantage. And the last is suggestion for the next researcher. Based on the result of research and testing that has been done in this paper, suggestion for the further research are: the first, combine with other method to add percentage of profit. The second is use fundamental analysis such as text preprocessing from news in order to know the comparison between technical method and fundamental method. So that is from our presentation about our paper, and thank you very much for your attention.